My company. What is Janos working on? Remember Janos? He works for the fundraiser Kids We Care For. They are organising an event for children with COPD, a lung disease. Janos is looking for sponsors, but also for a place to hold the event and for people who want to perform or help. He thinks of Gracie, the reporter. Maybe she wants to write a short article in her magazine. Janos calls her mobile.
Hi, Janos. How are you? What are you doing these days?
Hey, Gracie. I'm working on a big event. We're planning a 2-day outing for kids with COPD. I'm calling you because I hope you can help.
And what do you have in mind, Janos? How can I help you?
I thought you might write an article about our event in your magazine. It could help to get more sponsors and volunteers to help us arrange everything.
I really like your organisation, Janos, and I would love to help. Maybe we should meet and discuss it. I'm working today, but I am free tomorrow. Is that good for you?
Yeah, great. Same cafe? 4 p.m?
That's fine. So we are meeting at Cafe Latte at 4. See you there. Bye now.
Thanks a lot. Bye, Gracie.